Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a major question that's been sparking curiosity across the tech world. Is Samsung finally preparing to unveil its first Galaxy Z Fold Ultra smartphone this year? And if so, will it debut as the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra? Earlier today, Samsung dropped a subtle teaser of its upcoming generation of foldable smartphones. And while most leaks and speculations have been referring to it as the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's own teaser has triggered widespread debate. That's because Samsung prominently featured the term Ultra several times in their official announcement, and that could be a major clue about what's ahead. Let's analyze this. In their press release, Samsung revealed a silhouette of a foldable handset with the headline, "Meet the next chapter of Ultra." Now, that might seem vague at first glance, but upon closer inspection, it's evident that Samsung is emphasizing the idea of elevating its foldable range with an ultra-tier device. What does that imply? Well, Samsung characterized this new release as more than just a typical refresh. They stated that consumers now expect an ultra-grade experience, something cutting-edge, high-end, and loaded with next-gen tech, but still compact and foldable. They specifically pointed to world-class hardware, next-level performance, and seamless AI integration. So, it's more than a marginally improved foldable. It's about delivering the pinnacle of what Samsung can offer. And here's the phrase that really fueled the speculation: the Ultra experience is ready to unfold. That sounds like a strong hint that this isn't just your standard Z Fold 7, but a truly premium Ultra model. So now the pressing question is, will it officially be named the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra? And if that's the case, does it mean we'll see a regular Z Fold 7 as well? Or is Samsung skipping the standard edition this year? Things get even more complicated when we factor in that Samsung is also developing a tri-folding phone, which is tipped for launch later this year. Some believed that model would bear the Ultra branding, but today's teaser clearly depicts a device with two panels, not three. So, this isn't the tri-fold model. It's something entirely different. That strongly suggests Samsung could be releasing two foldables, a standard Galaxy Z Fold 7 and a higher-end Z Fold 7 Ultra, or perhaps just the Ultra version on its own. Now, let's explore the rumored specifications. Based on recent leaks, this upcoming foldable, likely the Ultra variant, is expected to be a powerhouse. It's rumored to be equipped with a high-performance Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, also known as the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. That's the same SoC used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, delivering major performance gains. We're also hearing reports of a titanium rear frame, which would improve durability while keeping the weight low. The camera configuration is tipped to include a whopping 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. On the cover display, expect a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. As for the battery, it's believed to house a 4,400 mAh cell, with support for 25W wired charging and 15W wireless charging, possibly enhanced with T2 compatibility for more efficient wireless charging. In terms of design, the device could measure just 4.2 millimeters thick when unfolded, making it one of the slimmest foldables ever, rivaling the Oppo Find N5. It's also likely to include an IP48 rating for protection against dust and water. Additional features might include 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Samsung Pay, a USB-C port, stereo audio output, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. So yes, this device absolutely ticks all the boxes of an ultra-level flagship, but despite all of this, the naming situation remains uncertain. The teaser gave us compelling signals. The repeated use of the word Ultra and the rumored hardware certainly align with what we'd expect from an ultra-tier device. However, Samsung has yet to officially confirm the branding. That leaves us still speculating. Will it be the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, the Z Fold 7 Ultra, or simply the Z Fold Ultra? We'll probably get more solid information in the coming weeks as we near Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event, where they're expected to unveil all their latest foldables. So stay tuned. because the next generation of foldables is shaping up to be groundbreaking, and it